Hey guys, welcome back to my beauty stash, or welcome if it is your first time here. Hello, my name is Steph. I would love to have you become part of our makeup family, so be sure to click on that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching. Today's video is all about this new eyeshadow palette from Sugar Drizzle. This is the Dragonfly Warrior eyeshadow palette that is currently out of stock, but I do know that they plan a restock as soon as possible. This little beauty retails for $31.95 on the Sugar Drizzle website. Guys, Sugar Drizzle is quickly becoming one of my favorite indie makeup brands. They do multi-chromes and duochromes at such an amazing price point, such an affordable price point. And I do like now that they're including matte shadows in these 9-pan palettes. Now, I have a couple other Sugar Drizzle palettes. I have some more 9-pan palettes, and I have a larger 12-pan palettes that are all, is it 12 or 16? One of which is all multi and duochromes, and I've loved them. I haven't had a bad experience yet with this brand. I don't think I will anytime soon. I have also been enjoying the liquid multi-chrome. Now, some of these are in stock and some of them are out of stock. The shade I have, which I believe is in stock right now, is called Pink Rock Candy. I have used this already in a couple videos, but I will have the Sugar Drizzle website linked in the description box of today's video. I do not have a code or an affiliate link, but I do have a code from one of my friends here on YouTube, Millie from Bad to the Brow. Her code is Millie10, and that's what I use to get 10% off my Sugar Drizzle orders. So I will be creating 2 looks with this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I will of course insert some swatches. I did do an Instagram reel on this already, so be sure to head on over to Instagram and check that out. So if you guys want to see the new Sugar Drizzle Dragonfly Warrior eyeshadow palette in action, keep on watching. Alright, now I've already primed my eyelids using the Natasha Denona eyeshadow primer, and I think we are good to go. Let's dive into this palette. Okay, I need to use the yellow first. I need to start off with this yellow. I need that in my crease, and then we will go from there. The yellow shade is called Strong. And I'm going to be taking that on a Game Beauty E01. I'm just going to be placing that in the crease, kind of stamping at first. And then I'll lightly blend it out. Well, this is my kind of yellow. I like this so much. It's like a sunflower yellow. Love that. Look at that. Amazing pigment. Just so easy. Like, I'm just stamping it on and it's like blending itself. I really don't need to do much blending. Love that. Love that. Okay, now for the other 2 matte shades, we have a matte black and then we have this matte green. I don't know that I want to do the green. I don't know that I want to do the black either. The black is I think intended so that you can lay down first, like on the lid, and then you can pop any one of these other like multi and duochromes on top of them, on top of the black shade, to change the shift of it and everything. What I think I want to do is, I think I'm going to save the green for the lower lash line. I guess I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Fly Baby Fly. And I'm taking that on a damp Morphe M124. So what I do is I pick up the product first and then I spray the brush with some setting spray. I have one from NYX that I use. I feel like I'm getting some fallout. I'm getting a little bit of fallout, no big deal. All right, I like that. That looks really, really nice. I kind of feel like it's missing a little bit of depth though. I'm thinking I'm gonna go in, I mean, this is totally gonna change it, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This one is called Selfless. And I think I'm gonna add that to the outer corner. I'm a little bit nervous about that, but let's try it out. I'm gonna use this little small blending brush from Juvia's Place. Oh wait, I dipped into the black. No, we don't want that one. So this one that I'm dipping into is going to be more of a traditional shimmer. It's not going to be like textured or anything. And I'm sure you guys can hear the birds in the background. I think it is getting ready to rain. It is very cloudy, but it's very warm. Yeah, I think this is exactly what the look needed. A little bit of a contrast. Just gonna add some right up here as well. Adding a little bit of the yellow of Strong. All right, let's leave the top alone. I think that looks really cool. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with this matte green right here. This one is called BU. I'm taking that on a Refer 12. Now for the inner corner, I think I want to go in with this green down here. This one is called Spirit. And I'm going to take it on a little pencil brush and I am going to spray it. Look at how that shade shifts. Like it looked really green in the pan and now it has like a pink shift to it. So cool. That's what I love about Sugar Drizzle palettes. Sometimes you never know what the shade is going to turn out, what it's going to look like until you put it on the eye. And I love that. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of BU. Okay. So I think this is the look. I'm going to add some liner and mascara. Maybe I'll do some lashes. I don't know. And I'll be right back to show you look number 1. All right, guys. So here's the completed look number 1. I did add some lash. They are the Kiss Light as Air lashes. And what is the style? You Do You. That is the style. For the lower waterline, I went in with my LA Girl Neon Shockwave eyeliner. This one is in the shade Gottcha. And the ColourPop Level Up Mascara, that's the one I'll be using today. It's a lengthening mascara. And that's what I have going on. I like it. I love the way this look came out. Yellow and green are always great together. Let's jump on over to the left eye and start working on look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, I want to try something where I lay down the black shade on the lid and then I put one of these other shades or 2 of them on top. So I'm going to go in with Grace, pack that on all over the lid, and then we'll go dip into one of these duo and multi-chrome shades. And I'm using a Game Beauty EO2. All right, now on a Refer 13, I'm just going to start blending out the edge. Ever so lightly, little circular and windshield wiper motions. I don't want this black shade to get away from me because then it's gonna turn into a completely different look. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. We have a nice dark base going on there. I definitely want to use these top 2 right here, and then maybe I can use this one on the lower lash line. So I'm going to start first with Warrior, and then I'm going to go in with Amazing. And I'm taking this shade, wow, Damp Morphe M124. Look at that. And this is a very textured shade. So I would definitely recommend spraying your brush and or using some glitter glue. But wow, look at that. You'll notice it looked different just swatched on my arm without anything underneath. It's definitely lighter, and then when you pair it with a matte black under it, it just takes on a whole different shade. And that's the beauty with like multi-chromes and duochromes. Even shimmer shades, if you pair them with a dark base, you're gonna get a totally different shade. So, okay, love that. Flip the brush around. Now I'm gonna go in with Amazing. This one looks like it has a little bit of purple in it. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. I'm gonna bring that up here as well. Okay, I think that looks so beautiful, like absolutely stunning. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Fierce. And I'm taking Fierce on a damp Refer 03. How beautiful. Wow. Aren't these shades just amazing? I mean, how much fun it is to work with all of these beautiful shades. Okay, so the only shade I haven't used is this one in the center called Selfless. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that on this damp Repro 3. And I'm gonna apply it right here. Wow, I love it. Whew. Okay. So I'm going to add mascara, the other falsie, a little bit of liner to the lower waterline, and I'll be right back to show you this look number 2. All right, guys, here is the completed look number 2. I love it. I love both of them, but look, totally different dramatic looks. Actually more dramatic on this side, but of course the same falsie. For the lower waterline, I went in with this ColourPop cream gel liner. I think this is a new one. This is the shade Crystal Crush, and I got this one from Ulta. Love it. So fun. And the lipstick is also ColourPop. The lipstick is a Lippie stick in the shade Chichi. Guys, all the makeup I'm wearing, it will be, of course, linked and listed in the description box of today's video in case you want to check it out. Some of those things might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me on my channel. So let's wrap up today's video, guys, and let me share with you my final thoughts on this new Sugar Drizzle Dragonfly Warrior eyeshadow palette. All right, guys, so let's start off first with packaging, the cover art. This is your typical cardboard packaging for eyeshadow palettes. It is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette, and I love the dragonfly on here, and of course the saying. This is a very popular saying. It says, "What if I fall?" and then, "Oh, but my darling, what if you fly?" And that is the truth. We have to take chances. We have to just go for it sometimes and take that leap of faith, and that is exactly what this palette represents. On the back, you do get the ingredients. It says that it is cruelty-free, made with recyclable packaging, and it is good for 24 months after opening. We open it up, we do get a mirror, and we get these gorgeous green and blue and yellow shades, which you know I love. This is a color story that I can wear every single day. The multi-chromes and duochromes in here are fantastic. The shimmer shades, the traditional shimmer shades, are very smooth, very creamy, very blendable. The more textured shades are these two up here, and then these two down here at the bottom. I would definitely recommend using some glitter glue when you're going to be using those shades. With these other more traditional shimmer shades that are creamier, that are smoother, I think a damp brush is going to be fine. The 3 matte shades that they included are amazing, very pigmented, easy to work with, easy to blend. I did get fallout primarily from the 4 multi-chrome shades that do have more texture to them. So that's why I say spray your brush, use some glitter glue, and you're gonna be fine. Guys, for 32 bucks, roughly 32 bucks, less the 10% discount if you use Millie's code, this is a phenomenal price tag for a palette that contains duo and multi-chromes, and I absolutely love it. I think the color story is on point. Love the meaning, the message behind the palette, and Sugar Drizzle has done it again. This palette is getting 2 thumbs up for me. Fantastic. Really enjoyed working with it. But now I want to hear from you guys. What did you guys think of the 2 looks? Are you team 1, team 2, team none? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.